I failed J, got 0 on my birthday, but still became an AI intern in my second year. This is my story, a journey powered by resilience, grit, and a second chance. I scored 93% in boards, 98th percentile in physics. I walked into J with confidence, like most top performing students do. What could go wrong? Everything. I thought J was the only way. I missed the cutoff by 2 marks. I felt like the whole world has ended. My entire vision of future disappeared in a single result. But then I discovered a new path, one that actually fit me better. That same day, while scrolling in confusion and frustration, I stumbled upon Scalar School of Technology. The curriculum felt different, practical, hands-on, and deeply aligned with what I actually wanted to do, build real tech. I took a shot, registered for NCET and gave the test. And guess what? I cleared it. That moment wasn't just about admission. It was my reset button. My second chance had officially begun. But this wasn't some overnight transformation. I entered SST with 0 coding experience. Java, CLI, Git, it all felt alien. Every bug felt like a brick wall. Every assignment was a struggle. I used to go to Akanksha ma'am, my batch success manager, for every doubt, sometimes 3 to 4 times a day. SST wasn't easy, but it was real, and I showed up every single day. And then came my birthday, and with it, the results of a coding test. It hit harder than my J results. I broke down right there in front of Kshitij sir, my DSA instructor. He didn't dismiss it. He listened, and then he told me something I'll never forget. You are struggling because you are pushing your limits. The ones who struggle now win later. I didn't just remember it, I lived it. I got back to work with more clarity, more patience, and a lot more fire. From 0 to 100 in my DSA exams, from confusion to solving problems in ICPC, one of the toughest coding contests out there. One bug at a time, one late night at a time, I rebuilt myself. Confidence, code, consistency. Then came internship season, and with it, a new kind of challenge. DSA, solid. Development, nowhere. I cleared the first round at a major MNC, but in the dev interview, I blanked. No real projects, no experience to talk about, no offers. The rejection hurt, but what hurt more was knowing I wasn't ready again. But instead of spiraling, I pivoted. I didn't want to be just another resume in a pile, so I chose a different path, one that most people were ignoring. Gen AI and Agentic AI, a space that was moving fast. Less competition, more relevance, real-world impact. Studied 10 hours a day, took mock interviews, and rebuilt my portfolio from scratch. Learned how to pitch, how to present, and how to own the room. Every day was a challenge, but for the first time, it wasn't about catching up. It was about leading. Then came an opening at WNS Wooreen, an AI research internship. I hesitated. That little voice of doubt showed up again. But a friend pushed me to apply. In the interview, I didn't just answer questions. I pitched an AI product idea for the travel industry. Clear, specific, and impactful. And it landed. I got the offer. Today I am in my second year. I am an AI/ML intern working with real product teams, building tools that actual people use, solving real-world problems. I'm not just learning tech anymore. I'm living it. This isn't just the comeback. It was the power of resilience. From failing J to scoring 0 to cracking an AI research internship all in year 2. This is my story, and if there is one thing I have learned, it's this. Failure doesn't define you. What you do next does. At Scalar School of Technology, I didn't just find another college. I found a place that gave me the space to fall and a push to rise. And this is just the beginning. Subscribe to Scalar School of Technology for more such stories.